Yeah, a video. Okay, let me see. Hello guys, welcome to Kelo TV, where I teach and I guide how to create games, how to create an app. So if you're new into this channel, coming in here for the first time, kindly subscribe and get updated for incoming videos. So we will always uh, show how to create game, website, and app. Not only to create, but to show you how you can monetize, how to make money out of it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a football live score hub. So I have several videos where I have been teaching how to create this type of hub. But today's video is actually different from all the ones which I have been guiding, which I have been teaching. So I am also going to show you where you can get the code for free. So make sure you follow me and make sure you follow the tutorial. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Okay. So today's video, as I said, is all about football app. So where I'm going to show you from step by step here. If you watch carefully, you're going to learn how the football live score app works and how to fetch real-time football data using API. But today's one, I'm not going to show you the one which will use API key. So if you stay tuned to the end of the video, you're going to see how I'm going to show you how really how this app works. Okay. Now we're going to see how the Premier League and Global Leagues integration. I'm also going to show you how you can have the all the leagues tables in the app, and we're going to also show you how this app should be designed, and also going to show you how you can integrate Google AdMob codes into the app. And finally, I'm also going to show you the tips on how you should you should go to Play Store and upload. We have several app stores where you can upload all these apps. Okay, all these APK files. So the next thing now, after you have seen this, I want to show you how I want to show you all the types of different live score. Don't worry, we have different types of live score. So which if you also follow me step by step, I guarantee you're going to also make this type of app and you're also going to make money out of it. Okay. So now let me take you to where you're going to see this. Okay, so here you can see this is the live scores, the example of football live scores where we have on the Play Store. So if you successfully create this app, you can also upload it here and you're good to go. You are ready to make a lot of money with this app. So now you can see these are all the types of apps. People love football, so that's why I love to show how to create this type of app for free. For some people will actually charge you for them to teach you this, but for me, I actually take my time to show this for free. So make sure you take it seriously. So here, if I click on this app, let's check how this app. So here on this app, you can see it has 10 million downloads. That you can see it It has 10 million downloads. So which will this happen if you have uh, this type of users, you'll be making a lot of money from this app. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you, these are all the examples of the LiveScore apps, and none of these will be having less users. It has from millions, from thousands of users. Okay, so make sure you pay close attention to how this works. So now let me take you to my dashboard where I created my own app so that you'll be sure of what I'm creating. So this app I created it with App Creator 24, and I have all the source codes, and I'm also going to show you all the source code. I'm also going to show you how you should design your own app in a unique way. So here I take you to the dashboard of my App Creator 24. So here you can see this is my dashboard of App Creator 24, where this you can see it shows you can see the name of the app, Google AdMob. So this is my own particular my own app. So I'm going to open it so that you see it while I go ahead to share with you all the codes for free. Okay. So here, if I go to sections, this is where you see how I created all these apps. Okay, here you can see matches today, and you can see tomorrow. Let me automate white so that you'll be able to see. Okay, so you can see this is matches today, and this you can see tomorrow features matches where you can see live score yesterday, and after from here I now said England, and under England we have Premier League, we have FA Cup, we have Carabao Cup, we have Championship, and we have League One. You can see we have National League. All is under England. Now here you can see Spain. So these particular ones are the league tables. From here all are league tables. If you go under England Premier League, you're going to see the live score league in Premier League table. We agree with it. Okay. And here you can see Spain. Under Spain we have La Liga table. We have Copa del Rey. We have La Liga 2. We have Super Cup, and we continue going to see Germany. We have Bundesliga. You can see Italy. We have Syria table. You can see France. We have the one table. You can see all this is how I designed the app. I I named the name of the league, and while the tables goes as well. So this is how it is. You can see if you want to see PPN, you can see Portugal, you can see Belgium, uh, you can see Europa, you can see Conference League, you can see Champions League, you can see African Cup of Nations. So this is how my app looks. Um, if you see from the design, very beautiful app. So if you pay close attention at the end, you're going to make it okay. So here, if I open it, you're going to see these are the code for the app. You can see all are the code here. If I go to Premier League, you can see these are the code for the Premier League. Now, if I go to England, you see that I just name it as a heading. So this is just all the leagues in England today. So this is how it is. If I go to design as well, why I'm showing you the design so that if you understand here what I did, so after showing you the code, you should get to know what you should do with the code. Okay. So here, if I go to design, I'm going to see how I design my app. These are the background color here, so you can see how I customize it. So for you, you can also take your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you. So if you're here, you're going to see. Now go to main type. Oh, thank you. Long time. I've not been seeing you online. I hope all is well. Happy New Year to you. So here you can see if you go to menu type, you can see how I customize my menu. So very fantastic. Okay. Yeah, happy New Year. Thank you. So how are you doing? It's been a while. So if you go to menu type, as I said, you're going to see how I put my menu type images default top menu. So for you, you can decide to design it the way you want. It doesn't matter. It should be the same. You can decide to pick slide menu. You can decide to take table menu, social menu, no menu type. But I advise for you to go with this top menu because it looks fantastic. So if I go to top bottom menu, I said no, so there's no menu below the app. And here you can see this is where I put my app icon. So it's important to put your app icon. Okay. So here you can see top bar icon, which I said no, but I only did this for the home redirection. Once you click on this, if you're on league table, you should click on this on the top. It's going to return you back to the home page of the app. Okay. So this is how I remove, to do this all this way here. So it's so simple. You just drag and drop here inside and you save. Okay. So once you're done with all the customization, here you can see I also add my background image. So this is how beautiful it is to have this type of app. Okay. Now the next thing I want to share with you code for this app. The code for this app I want to share with you guys. So if you come in here to this website, this is where you're going to get this code, and this is how the LiveScore works. You can see England. Under England, these are all the matches. You can see if you click on it, it's going to open and show you all the details of what is happening from the match. Okay. So here you come below here. This is where you're going to see the code. This is the code for the live score. Okay. So you copy it and you head to upgrade to 24, and as you can see from my sections, this is where I added the code. But what you need to do from here, you can see matches today. Now let me show you the code I copied, and this is what you need to do. This is what you need to do. You need to change something from here, which here this bracket. You need to change it to today. As you can see, I put it today matches. So as I said, this is where I copy the shortcut for the live score. So you copy it and it's going to be the same. Okay. So here you can see this is the difference today. That is today March is going to fetch only today matches. Now let's go to the tomorrow features, and here you can see tomorrow. These are all the changes you need to do. You can see tomorrow and third you need to put it yesterday. Here you can see that this yesterday. You can see, so this is how it works. Very very simple to create this app. So very simple to create this app. So this is how it works. Okay, so the next thing now, we are moving to where to get the table. So this is where you need to come in order to get a table for the app. All the big tables will be here. As you can see, we have different. We click on widget, and here we go to table. Here we go to table. So and under the table, this is Premier League. So we have other leagues to pick. So we start with Premier League. If you have any changes to the neck, you need to do it from here. If you don't want the logos, remove it. So you can see the lines. You can see how fantastic it is. So you need to copy. So once you copy, you head back to upload to 24, and this is where you come and you create a new section, and you have Premier League, and you press the code from here. Once you press the code, you save changes, and that is it. You go to the second one, you go to the section again, and end up you go to Spain, and you put Spain, and you get another section on that Spain, and here you go back here, and here you're going to change, to like that. You need to check. Just look at that. So yeah, see La Liga, and we check all the settings. You can see this is La Liga, and this is the shortcut for the table, and you copy. Once you copy, you go back to half project 24, and here you press the code. Here you press the code, and you save changes. Coming in here to click on save changes. So this is how to create a live score. So simple to create this type of app. So you go again and create a new section, and you click on create new section, and you select another gig. Now this is your Liga. You go to Bundesliga, and here you can see the big table for the La Liga, and you copy the code as well, and you go back here. Here you can see Germany on this Bundesliga, and here you press the code. So this is how it works with it. So so beautiful to share this app with you. So nice to share this app with you. Okay. So if you're new, consider subscribing for more videos. Okay. So if you're new, so to create this type of app is very simple. You just need to click your application. So to create this type of app is very simple. You just need to click your application. So to create this type of app is very simple. So that is how to create. That's how to create this type of app. I hope uh, it's very clear to you. That's how to create this type of app. I hope it's very clear to you. That's how to create this type of app. I hope. So to create an app is so simple. If you follow me, not only to show you how to create, but how to monetize. Okay. Now to monetize this app, what you need to do, you need to have AdMob account. If you don't have, you have to create one with your Google account. You go to AdMob, you sign up, and that is it. So simple to do that. So as you can see, I'm going to share with you how I link my app with AdMob. So I'm going to share with you. Here you can see this is the dashboard of where I created the app. And here if I click on name and icon, you're going to see you can see this is my package name, so you need to put package name here for the app. So once you put that, you can leave it on default, but I advise for you to write it yourself. Make sure you know what you're putting here so that you won't forget, because there's a need for you to make sure you put this package name in your app store. So here you can see, if you go to your AdMob account, you're going to see, okay, let me go in and show you that so that there will be no confusion into this. So here you can see this is AdMob. I'm going to open. Just a moment, it's going to open. Once it's open, I'm going to show you how it works. So simple to do that. Okay. So here you can see this is my AdMob account. This is my AdMob account. So what you need here is for you to go in here where it says app. That is if you have already created the account and the account is approved. Because once you create the account, your account will be active within 24 hours. And to activate is only for you to put in your address, verify your phone number, your address, and that is all. So you're going to wait for AdMob to activate it for you. So once it's activated, you get this page like this. So here where it says app, get this page like this. So you're going to go to where it says app and you click on it, and here you can see add new app. So this is where you go, click on add new app, and from here you select Android or iOS, and here you need to answer this question: if your app is on Play Store, yes or no. For now, no, but later you need to come back to settings under this app we are creating for you to activate it once the app is live on App Store. Okay, so that's how it works. So you can say no. Okay, so and here you can see my app, which is approved. Okay, so it's very important if you are following me here. So you can see this, my account is active. So this is how it works. Okay, so you can see this, my account is activated because I have to come in here. You need to come back here to settings, and here you can tell the AdMob that yes, your account is active, and you can see this is where I said yes. You can see this is where I post this my app. This is where my app is published on Amazon App Store. So an AdMob is going to confirm that you have published it. Yeah, so that's why you can see ready. So means ad is showing on my app. So this is how it works. Okay, so you make sure you save this and you go to ads, and here you're going to create for all the different banner types. You can see I created for this, and here you can select how you want the ad to appear on the app. So for me, I say the app, the ad should be on the bottom of the app. So how do you want the size of the ad? It should be normal, not large, so that it will not occupy the app. Okay, show ad in chat, say yes. Okay, so here you create for this one as well. You create for all the types. Okay, and here you can see I created for all the types, and now I'm good to go. I save changes. So once you click on save changes, you now it's time for you, means your app is actually linked with your AdMob. So the only thing you need now is for you to publish it on App Store. So as I said, let me show you all the different types of app stores. So we have several app stores depending on you, which one you want to go with. So here you can see these are all the app stores in the list. So you can see we have different app stores. So here you can see we have different app stores. You can see so so these are all the app stores we have. So you can see Amazon App Store, you can see Oppo App Market, you can see Amazon Galaxy Store, Vivo, and there. So anywhere you want to post, you want to publish your app among these, AdMob is going to approve your account once your app is live on any of these app store. Okay, so very important to make sure you go to the easier way or easier method for you to publish. For me, I have published a lot of apps on Amazon App Store. So if you also want to learn how to do this, I have video on my channel. Just go check. You're going to see where it says how to upload. Okay, let me show you as well. So I'm going to see how to upload an app on Amazon App Store. So let me show you from here. I'm going to see how to upload app on Amazon App Store. So I want to show you this. You can see this is the video I'm talking about here. You can see this one. You can see how to upload apps and games on Amazon development as a developer consult. So very simple, very easy. If you go, you're going to see how I publish all my apps. Okay, so for the so that's how it works. Okay, let me also check this game. Let me play a bit game. So thank you so much. Okay, now I want to show you some of the games which I created as well. Okay, so I want to play a game. This is time to play a game. It's time to play a game. To play a game. Okay, to play this game. So now and let me put this since I have Okay, so oh, okay. Mm, sure. Okay, so thank you for joining me. Thank you. Welcome.
So so fantastic. So fabulous to be here with you guys, and can't wait to share with you some of the great apps I have for you guys. Now let me go to this and show you. No this app. No, I want to show you this. This is 9 o'clock. Let me show you great app. It's going slowly. Mm.
Warning. Critical breach detected. SU-35, unknown. Call sign NAF-201 has entered Ebonoi airspace without clearance. All stations, stand by for intercept protocols. Warning. Critical breach detected. SU-35, unknown. Call sign NAF-308 has entered Koji airspace without clearance. All stations, stand by for intercept protocols. Warning. Critical breach detected. SU-35 unknown. Call sign NAF-186 has entered FCT airspace without clearance. All stations, stand by for intercept protocols. Warning, critical breach detected. Su-35, unknown, call sign NAF854, has entered FCT airspace without clearance. All stations, stand by for intercept protocols.
Hi, Vital. Good evening. Oh, yeah. I muted myself. Good evening. Is it Vital or educational tech? I muted myself. So sorry for. I actually muted myself. I muted myself because I was kind of Vital as wrong. Hi, so sorry. I muted myself. Hello, I hope you can hear me now. Hello, I hope you can hear me now. So sorry, I muted myself. So sorry, I didn't know that you were sending messages. So I saw your message. Yeah, I'm good. Been a while. How are you doing? Happy New Year. I actually missed you. I have not been seeing you. Sometimes I check on your channel to kind of see if you're going to be live on the live stream. Yes, I can hear you. Okay, thank you. So before I muted myself actually. So how has it been? Because it's been a while. I hope you're okay. You know, I don't see your live streaming again. What happened? You're busy because of the new year, the festival. the Christmas, the New. What happened to you? Yeah, I have been present on my other channel, Better Stories. Okay. Okay, so you have been working on the two, or what? What happened? Why? Or you kind of want to have two channel? You want to be working on the two channel? So I don't know if I have subscribed to the other one. Let me check. Let me check the other one. But I hope all is well. Let me check the other. No, let's stream again. Kelo, I got rejected for monetization due to repetitive content. Oh, so I just have to keep off from live stream. I have been great. Oh, so after you have been rejected, what you needed or what you need to do, it's a kind of, you need to go back to your videos and make sure the ones which are kind of repeated, you delete them. That's what you need to do. You need to check it carefully, make sure, because it's better than having to lose the whole thing. So you have to take your time to make sure you delete some of the content. I think even on my channel, I think I have such case. Someone saw my video and he was telling me that I have a repeated content. But I couldn't bother because tomorrow, if I hear they are telling me about repeated content, I know it's that particular video. What happened was that the video I uploaded, the quality, the sound quality was very poor, and the video was ranking. So I have to go back and edit the video with the good sound. Edit the sound. Kind of, the mic was kind of, noisy sound. So I have to download the video and edit it and remove the noisy sound, and then high the volume of the. So now are ranking. So I don't know what to do, which one to delete, which one to leave. Okay, it was due to the live stream I was doing. Anyways, nothing wrong with my videos. Okay, that's good. So even from
Warning. Critical breach detected. Chengdu F7NI, call sign NAF393, has entered plateau airspace with
Warning.
clearance.
Critical
All
breach
stations
detected.
stand by for intercept protocols.
JF17 Thunder, call sign NAF410, has entered Kaduna airspace without clearance. All stations stand by for intercept protocols.
okay, so did you hear one sound, right? Focus on murder, but not all, but not as I used to be before as for now. Okay, yes, because you know oh, the advice I need to give you is that um I hope you did not delete the videos, because you need to just follow it carefully and to know which one is repeated content. That's what you need to do. So did you heard what is this kind of app I created for surveillance tracking. Kind of, as you can see on the screen, what it's doing is monitoring all kind of aircraft, fighter jets, if they are flying anywhere in Nigeria. So this app can dictate it. So it's not saying that there's an aircraft so number that is flies from Kaduna. You understand? So it was the app that was talking, not me. So I was doing puzzles for live stream. I guess God didn't want me to get monetized with them. I just have to delete all my streams. Oh. Now, after he said repeated content, I think what you are to do was you're supposed to follow them carefully. Deleting them is actually very kind of uh, heavy work. You're supposed to kind of leave some because all your watch hours and everything now you have lose it from all those ones. So you're supposed to follow and to know which one are actually similar. You're supposed to follow them carefully to know the which one's similar, even if you were not able to kind of know, as in you deleted some, then you request another monetization, then you wait and see. Because for them to say repeated, there must be something, similar. This is not a good news. So we are supposed to be celebrating. We are supposed to be celebrating as it is, but now we are here. Oh my God. Sorry, don't give up, please. I know actually you actually tried, like you actually give your time, every time I see you on live stream. Oh my God. You one of my story. I told you I was having a channel that has 150 or 60, 70 thereabouts. So it was because of my mistake to kind of, to make it more, and that is how I lose it up to now. That channel has gone, and I have some other YouTubers that we were doing the same content. Now those people now have millions of the 3,000 to just 4,000 subscribers. So all these things, we need to learn from them. That's it. Yeah, Kelo, I lose over 8K watch hours. Oh my God. But it but it is, what is it? Because I generated all my puzzle differently. No, I don't give up. Okay, all that is in the personal. Oh my God. So sorry. Sometimes if I visited those YouTube those YouTubers that we were uploading the same content, I used to ask myself, someone having this kind of, subscribers. But that's it. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm telling you, the people now, if I share the channel now here, you will see them. They are growing every single day because they are over 1 million. So very easy for them to see to see viewers, subscribers very easily. And there's one thing about this YouTube: once your video reach to certain level, that's how it's going to be viral. But if you're low, no, 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 there's no chance till you grow little by little. Once you reach that, you cross like that kind 40, 70, your video will be viral, kind of. That's if you're doing the good work. And do you know what? Your videos are very interesting. Your videos are very interesting. And don't forget as well to work on your make sure your videos you're uploading, they are not kind of similar. Let them not, be seeing it as repeated. So make sure you change the differences, maybe the title, all those things. Even the script should be, make sure you check it, and make sure you know each of the topic comes with different scripts. Do you believe you can be more than them tomorrow? So don't give up and keep pushing. Yeah, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So what happened to me after I lose the channel? Do you know that I actually give up? I really give up. This particular channel that I'm, battling with now, this Kelo TV. Do you know this after I lose that channel, this particular channel, it was with the help of that big one. So kind of when I see that the channel was about 100 plus, I now discovered that other YouTubers are creating TV was to be second channel. But what I did was not to create this YouTube channel on the same account. I now open a new YouTube account. So I was now using this small YouTube. When I upload video, I will be linking it kind of, channel promotion. So I was promoting it through that big channel. So before that one was terminated, I think this one was about 500 because I just started 500 has added. I think almost now 600. So I'm almost 600 added after I started. So this channel was just kept just like that. No uploading for almost 3 years, I think, if I've not mistaken. For I think almost 3 years. I just kept the channel like that. I was not doing nothing on it. That is why I want to keep to my storyline niche without advising money audience. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So no, your niche is good. Your niche is very good. So you have to keep going. We have to keep going, you know. So as I told you, that's how I actually give up. I was, the anger, the as in my time and everything. I was kind of, why don't them give me a kind of warning for me to stop? And that time, do you know that I did not request for monetization? Because in my mind, I know that I was heading somewhere. So I was focusing of uploading videos, making sure I have subscribers. This channel I'm talking about, it's channel that I can get 1,000, 2,000 in 1 to 3 days, 1,000, 3,000, because the video was viral. So I was kind of happy. In my mind, I wanted to kind of let me reach up to 500 or 300 before I will uh, apply for monetization. That channel without monetization, I was just enduring because I know that I was heading somewhere. I will be stuck on the road. And that time, I was having nothing to rush that, no, let me monetize. I was actually because, one thing about this YouTube is not as little as it is that it matters. What matters, as you said, that that whether I know if I can be better than those people that has millions. So that's it. I don't believe on now. What I'm doing, I don't believe on it. Like I give more hope than the little I'm doing, because I know if it grows, it's going to be, and it's better to, to reason, to think this way, so that when it grows, you know that yes, I was working towards something that yes, it will stand, maybe it will be bigger. So we are not doing it for the sake of just as little as it is, no, but for the sake of, how it's going to be, bigger tomorrow. Because if you can't think of how it's going to be big for you tomorrow, then when it's become big, it's going to be difficult for you. So kind of, you know, you should know that yes, I don't know if you understand my point. So that kind of thing. So oh my goodness, it can be painful. Yeah, actually very, very painful. It's not easy at all. After I'm
Warning, critical breach detected.
sorry.
MiG-29 unknown, call sign NAF 913 has entered Gigawa airspace without clearance. All stations stand by for intercept protocols.
Sorry for this, my app. Sorry for this app interruption. I'm not the one that allowed the app to talk. As it's monitoring, it speak what it sees, from the cloud. So that's it. We have to keep pushing. That's it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's why sometimes when all this live streaming, I just if it's not sometimes people like you guys, I don't do live streaming like that. So wow, that's so. What you need to do now, you need to, since now you deleted those ones, it's a big work. Seriously, Kelo, do you know that people told me few days back that I might have been monetized, but few months or few years after I can actually get frustrated if I'm not making reasonable amount on my channel. No, let me. Do you know that someone told me few days back that I might have been monetized, but few months or few years after I can actually get frustrated if I'm not making reasonable amount on my channel. Uh, this I don't know how can there be frustration after. No, I don't think there should be frustration, because one thing I believe with YouTube, as I told you, much subscribers, but it's no. I don't know what they mean by that, because see, what I believe on YouTube is that the more you grow, the more YouTube allow your videos to go viral. So kind of no, YouTube will not. How can you be frustrated? There's no frustration. Maybe because you feel like you have started earning and you don't want to work hard or what. I don't think what they're saying is true, because I think if someone started seeing some change from here, I think that will give you the vibe, the energy for you to continue. She said a lot of people are monetized, but they aren't making money. No, you know, like you now, you know, like you now, the way I see how you do your things, I know if your channel is monetized, someone like you, I know you do better. You see, don't agree with, due to things, maybe the person will now feel like money from here. Now, let me also have another thing doing. I think that should be one of the reasons that the person will not be focusing again. Because the truth is that now we are focusing for us to reach the YouTube, what is it called? The YouTube monetization target. That one is there. But I think if you can be seeing something, I don't see anything that will make me feel like I will not do it. That will give me the vibe to kind of continue. So, but I'm sure some that have make a lot, you understand, it's actually going to make them, they will not be working hard like before, because they may think, okay, they will maybe kind of giving their attention to other things, since they know that yes, this one is working well. So now let me also have another thing doing in another side. I think it's also possible. It's a lot of okay, and one thing that always keep me going is the fact that I love what I create. I love what I'm doing. Yeah, actually, I tell you, what you're doing is very, very fantastic. Like your videos, I love it. You know, people are looking, for kind of things like that to learn. You're giving the story always, inspired me. I listen to them, like it's very fantastic. If your channel blow, actually people will love it, because I've seen a lot of channels that do the same what you do, that as in they create the same content you do. They have millions of subscribers. So, but I disagree with the person because monetization was used to do more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Because for me, if this is actually working, it's
Warning. Critical breach detected. 829 Super Tucano, call sign NAF 435, has entered Yobe airspace without clearance. All stations stand by for intercept protocols.
so sorry for the noise.
Warning. Critical breach detected. Dassault Alpha Jet, call sign ANF 953, has entered Quara airspace without clearance. All stations stand by for intercept protocols.
So as I'm saying, we are saying the same thing. Like for me, actually, it's going to give me time. And for me, as you see the content I create, I have a lot of things to do, and what actually stops me from doing a lot of things is that I am always in the office, and sometimes I don't have the timing to do some of the other things. So, like me now, I'm a video editor, so there's so many things I do. It's part of yeah, it's part of it. So you understand. So I'm a web designer. So if this will work for me, that will make me to have time to do other things. Meaning, I'll only say to myself, that is, I mean, I will be out from the work so that I will be myself to do other things. And the same other things is going to be the same me maybe in my room, having time for myself, do more things, it's not going to be difficult for me. Like, eh, and at the same time, all the things I do, I can turn it to video. Anything I want to do. If I'm creating a website, I can decide to, let it be on live stream while I do my things. So I would just turn it, convert it to, YouTube live stream. So that's it. So, but I don't know, because some people, money issue now. When they started seeing it, they feel like it has happened. So, from the website, you can also make money from website. You know, I was telling people that I I don't want to be involved in anything that has to do with criminal things. Okay, illegal things, but legal things. That's what I like, and that is what I love. Because if not, it's a very simple thing to me to create an app that can, make me money. I can create a website that can make me money. But after all, the question is that what is the benefit? Yes, the benefit is that I'm going to, enjoy money. But is that money I'm going to enjoy enough to my entire life? After all, I'll be regretting it. So, sometimes even in my videos, I do tell the people learning that I don't teach illegal things. Not that I don't know how to do all those things, but illegal things, no, not with me. Even from my WhatsApp group, a lot of them has been, following, and that has been my lesson to them. I said it publicly on the WhatsApp group. If you're here to scam somebody, please leave. Here is not a scamming zone. So if you're here for, legal reason for learning, okay, you're welcome. But if you're here for, you know, because sometimes they will just come, hey, who need help? Who need help? How? I'm teaching how to create app. You're coming and asking who need help. And the same me teaching, I did not ask any of my subscribers that who need help. So you're just coming, you want to scam somebody. So by themselves, when I said, if I send the message, if you're here to scam, please leave that. Just leave the WhatsApp group. The next thing you see, the person will just, be quiet, or he will just, unfollow. So, to, so, so thank you so much. So we have actually spent a lot of time here with me. Thank you. So, as I said, you have to. I know you too. You edit video. Which software do you use for your videos? Since you're a video editor, what about you're creating more content about YouTube video editing? They have and so on. Yeah. Yes. I can do that as well. That's what I was telling you, that I have a lot of things I can create, as in I can teach on many things. Different strategies, like all this kind of magic editing and all of that. So a lot of things to choose from there. I'm also a graphic designer as well. So I have a lot of things, you know, I'm a graphic designer as well. I think I have one of my channel that I teach graphic design, but I think that channel I abandoned it for almost maybe 4 years now. I've not posted anything, and I have also another channel for new tuners because I use I use voice generation as an I will have the news content, and then I file the as an I edit the video with different voice on the video. Kind
Warning, critical breach detected. JF-17 Thunder.
I think that actually also a lot. Yes, video editing. Yes, it has viewers. Because uh, a lot of people edit videos. So sometimes you may be editing video and you may be stuck on the road and you may want to figure it out how to correct it, how to so kind of even me that time, if I'm doing some of the things, I jump to to kind of how to do this, and that is how I become more and more, good in editing. I use CapCut, Canva, Pro, you know, in short, wow, CapCut, Canva, okay, they're also good. For me, I use, I have let me check my system. I have three, three softwares, and my own softwares are bigger softwares. This one you mentioned now, they are not too, they are not too, this one, okay, Adobe Premiere Pro, they call it Premiere Pro. So, and I have Wondershare Filmora, and I have, okay, let me see the other one. I have, I think three, where the other one? Is it called? Okay, see. Even see the other one because I don't use it a lot. But the main one I use is Adobe Premiere Pro and Wondershare Filmora. You log, it's very simple and it's out of, especially the graphics are not there. So in the Wondershare Filmora, it has some graphics that will, overlay, graphic that will play like kindly subscribe, comment, you'll be, sliding and all of those things. So maybe you know about it already. They call it Wondershare Filmora. Very nice software too. Very easy to use. The only one that is not easy to use is Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, you use it. So do you enjoy it, or maybe it wasn't as in you're not familiar with it? It's very simple to use. Wondershare Filmora. Why I love it is because of the simplicity. I just jump and do my things. But the softwares that can give me much tough time, and if you needed a good result, is Premiere Pro. And the Premiere Pro, we have two Premiere Pro. We have After Effects, that's Adobe company. So After Effect, that is the software you can do all this kind of magic movies. That's real, and it will work it out that you did. Kind of you cause somebody's head is a lie, that kind of thing. So okay, okay. But do you things like cow things inside I love it because it's very simple. But maybe the one Hi. Okay, what happened? Your network, right? Maybe your net. Oh, sorry. So sorry. I know it's maybe network. So oh. Sorry for the. Okay, bye. Okay, Vital. Itu. Berenang aja naknya ya. Global monitoring. This is this help monitor all the aircrafts running into any airspace, especially Nigerian airspace. This app is going to monitor everything. So this is how the app works. So fantastic app for anyone to use. But this is our type of app should be used in accordance with the federal government laws. Okay, so this one is for educational purposes. So that is why I am doing this video. This is for educational purposes only. Has nothing to do with the real data, but for education only, for you to know how it works. Mm-hmm.